So yeah, I went from a 10K to a 14K. Ooh. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. You watching High Tide Jet. Ride the tide and subscribe. Today, talking about Hawaii rope chains. I bought a 20-inch 6mm 14 karat gold Peruvian rope chain. Diamond cuts. I've seen other people review Hawaii rope chains. I know he goes all out with the packaging, so I don't have a lot of time. I'm gonna make this video quick, but you know, videos are cooler when you get the genuine reaction. So I didn't want to open it and already react without recording it, so here we go. Trying to be quick because I got a lot going on right now. Anyways, I found out about him because I was gonna buy pretty much the same chain, 6mm 20-inch from Jacoji, but he didn't have it in stock. So whenever I looked up rope chains on YouTube, I kept seeing like Hawaii rope chains. I'm like, who the heck is this guy, man? So he had it 6mm 20-inch in stock, and it was cheaper. In all the videos I seen, they were like, you know, saying good things. Goodness. All right, let's open this bad boy. The hype is real. Whoa, whoa. There it is. Hawaii rope chains. Good thumbnail. I like the little, like the logo, dog. Ooh. Oh, it's like that velvety feeling that makes my hair stand up, boys. There it is. Rope, 6mm 20-inch, 14K, weighs about 51.9 grams. You already know what time it is. Comes with a little cloth. Very professional, man. He's going all out. I don't know if he does this full time. What I heard is, ooh-wee. Look at that. Let's pull it out. You can feel the weight. Because guys, oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right, let's just put this on. Let's take this little thingy off. It's what y'all been waiting for. 14K. So yeah, I went from a 10K to a 14K. Ooh. It's long. I'm planning on putting a pendant on it, so it'll probably drop a little. Cause I don't want it to be too long, man. 22-inch. I remember I had a 22-inch once, and I like had to go to like a jewelry like a jewelry shop that fixes stuff, and I told them to shorten it. But yeah, I like my jewelry with a little weight on it. But with the pendant, it'll look fire. Oh yeah, I feel like a man now. That's how it looks on the neck. This is my old chain. Hollow. 10K. It's the new one. Let's do it side by side real quick. Hawaii rope chains, go check them out. Shipping was real quick. I bought it. Literally 2 days later, it's here. Straight from Hawaii. I'm in Florida. So this is my old chain. Anyways, this is just a very light 2mm, 2.5, if that, semi-hollow. Let's just call it hollow. My pendant from Tracks NYC. If you haven't watched that video, go watch that. It's a Hamza. And you got this bad boy. Oof. Night and day. Night and day. Yeah, that 14K. That's, ooh, man. I need to just look in the mirror. I haven't looked in the mirror yet. Only going based on what's on camera. Hawaii rope chains, dog. I think his name is Myron. Myron, if you're watching this, hit me up, bruh. I need them discounts. Anyways, this is all for this video. I'm gonna do another video, maybe outside, so you guys can see it when the sun hits it and all that. This is just a rushed video. I was just excited that it showed up. I wanted to open the box, but I didn't want to open it without recording. Anyways, guys, if you like the video, like, comment, subscribe. More videos on the way. I appreciate y'all for watching, and I'ma holla at y'all later. Peace.